CURLBOX time! For those of you that don't know, CURLBOX is a monthly subscription wherein we receive a box of curated curly hair goodies. CURLBOX costs $25 for the products and $5 for the shipping, so that's $30 altogether. The May 2021 CURLBOX, entitled Beat the Heat, is a curated box of curly hair goodies from One and Only Argan Oil. Now, I believe we did receive a box from One and Only Argan Oil, I think last year. I have to look that up. First up, we have the Zero Fuss Coarse Frizzy Hair Primer. This is a lightweight leave-in. We also received the Zero Fuss Styling Balm. So this, along with the Zero Fuss Styling Cream, they are both our lightweight stylers for this box. The balm is the lightweight texturizing balm, and the styling cream is more hydrating, or at least they claim to be. All right, so now we have the Zero Fuss Spray Wax. This is giving me hairspray. So not a sheen, but a spray. You know, if you do a slick back and you want to just give that extra shield from the flyaways and all of that, this is the type of thing that you would spray on your hair. Honestly, that's probably what I will do. I'll use either the styling cream or the styling balm to slick my hair back and then finish up with the spray wax afterwards. Our last two products are both from their powder hair color kit. One of them is in black and the other is in chocolate brown. As y'all know, I don't personally color my hair, so I will be giving these away. And in the little leaflet, they say, because typically it's trendy to lighten your hair in the spring, summer months, so they're saying go against the grain and go with a darker hue for these spring, summer months. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I'm not particularly excited about this CURLBOX. They've definitely sent us better boxes than this. This is the part of the video where I like to point your attention to some of my other content, like my CURLBOX unboxing playlist and my CURLBOX review playlist. I love you for watching. Y'all please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.